back on the road. So S2000's in the body shop, getting some work done. I'm gonna go stop by, see what the boys are up to. But hopefully sometime soon I'll be able to do this all myself. It'll be a little bit easier and more content. I wanna learn how to do everything from A to Z. You know, a lot of car guys, they don't do the framework, body work, but I wanna learn it, even though you need special tools for most of it, special machines, and they cost thousands of dollars. Any framework I'll need to get done, I'll definitely try to get clips of that. And paint work, body work, I wanna get into that first. So we'll see. After that 2000, I don't know what the next project's gonna be, but I'm gonna try to look for something soon and try to bring some more heat. Let's get it. Don't try this at home, kids. Meow, 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 meow. Sheesh, boy. What kind of rebuilds they got going on over here? So I got those pieces off. So I decided I'm gonna fill these holes. Got a little body work going down right here, on top right there. It's definitely gonna need a little bit of love right there. Make sure that seam is nice down there, but everything else is looking pretty good. There's a few little dings in this quarter panel that you get touched up. Look at the branches, everything's like icy. Looks pretty cool though. I wanted to get some clips. Look at this. Ooh. Ice, ice. So I'm gonna go to the body shop today. They're doing some body work on the car and hopefully it's gonna get painted today. Yeah, buddy. So I had to make this quick clip. Hope you guys appreciate this room. It's my fiance. It's pretty cute, right? So it was not easy to try to be getting film and clips when the bodywork was getting figured out, and it turned out to be like super difficult. So there was shots of the car being sprayed, primered, but basically next to near impossible. Did not get any clips of the car being sprayed, unfortunately, which sucks. I'd rather get the car being sprayed than so much clips of the bodywork. But the car's done. And yeah, so just wanted to throw that in there because yeah, pretty whack. But hey, that's another reason I gotta just start doing it on my own. But check it out. So here she is. So I gotta put that trim panel piece on, tuck the carpet, clean the whole entire interior, but quarter panel looking super smooth. I still gotta put on a few other than miscellaneous pieces, not a big deal. So fender, wrapped up looking extra smooth. A little scuffing the front bumper is looking good. It's a little rainy outside today, so hard to kind of tell. Rear bumper. It's looking super nice. So I got the stock rear bumper, got those hose plugs where those carbon fiber pieces used to be. You know, it looks good. Just keep it all stock, why not, you know? And I can sell those aftermarket pieces to get some money back on the car as well. Finally, the car is all one color. It's gonna take, you know, one more day to kind of get it for sure all cleaned up. Wheels are super dirty right now. No more snow in Cleveland, but it's still pretty nasty out, kind of wet and stuff, so kind of sucks I don't have a place to store the car right now, but hey, at least it's done. Looking forward to being able to clean the car up real nice and get this thing on the road. It still has the EPS issue, which kind of sucks, but oh well. I got some other wheels possibly can throw on it. I don't know how those would look though, we'll see. Well, yeah, there she is, guys. In the next video, I guess I'm gonna go over a price breakdown of exactly how much everything ran me. You know, there's some imperfections of the car still, but you know, it's an older car. It's never gonna be perfect. So have a little cleanup video when it warms up. Hopefully we figure out the SRS issue, or not the SRS, the EPS power steering issue, and go from there. Okay, guys, so that's it for the S2000. I'm gonna have to put on a couple panels and give the interior a pretty good cleaning and the exterior. But other than that, I'm gonna put together a video of the whole cost analysis of the entire money that went into the car, including the paint work and how much I actually paid for the car. So I'll try to get that as best as possible, kind of laid out. And so stay tuned.